And we have got our third Wave 1 tin openings. This time with the one person in the world who can't open a pack.
That was broken too.
Starting off with Zenmeister.
Sweating hands much.
So Zenmeister you get in. Zenmeister, the duality.
What my Zenmeister? The R's come off. Very nice. Sweet.
You get the Christian, you get the Gaia. I'm not even mentioning Neo Pasha because it sucks. Started off.
Resonance device. Why is that even there?
And it begins. Extreme Victory, going for the tour guide.
Oh,
he got a secret.
Oh,
Bet it's Gladiator Taming.
So giddy.
That's an amazing card.
Ow.
I don't know what you guys are cracking.
Salvage Warrior.
Got a secret, to be fair.
We've got two Summer Ravens left.
Smoke signal.
At least people want loads of them now that it's down to one.
Absolutely.
Yes, everyone wants that card. Lucky guys.
Right, final pack
On the first
of this tin.
Been Lance.
Forbidden Lance, that is
Nice.
a pull and a half.
Yeah, body.
That's a great pull.
I'll take that.
It's never a bad card.
I think you forgot it was in that set.
I love pulling
Cool.
Lance. I think I've pulled 3 before. I think I've done
Well, you know,
on my taming.
it's the first pack, got a secret. Maybe not the secret he wanted out of Extreme
Yeah.
Victory.
The swords are revealing that's gone up to 2. That's really cool.
Oh,
We've got the Leviathan tin.
it's alive, I swear.
It turns out he can't even open tins, let alone
Alive.
packs.
Alive.
You have no idea if it's about 1,000,000 degrees in this room.
Alive up into.
Right, you get the shinies in this one.
That looks really nice.
It's Beast King, Simorg, Street Patrol, and again the duality.
Yeah.
Oh mate,
What is it?
you've got a
Tyrus.
secret Tyrus.
Oh my
This
God.
is turning out 2 bads, 2 secrets, 2 tins. There is no complaints going on here.
Yeah.
Right, Joel, if you carry on, mate, you can get arrested for the things you do to these
I've eaten
packs.
off a load of foil. Oh, I saw a Synchro and got giddy again. Reciprocal Dragonfly. That was good. Junk Servant.
Is anyone else sweltering up? I know.
Right, you get another super. Crap Nordic one, but still another super, I suppose. It's been a fair few shinies you've had in these couple of
Yeah,
tins,
I
Joel,
know.
mate. Pull off one more.
No.
No.
Hope for escape.
Cool, one more quick look. Got Terrace, which is boss, but
Tyrus, Lance. Got 2 secrets and 2 supers.
not bad. Cool.
Irish as well for now.